Hi, welcome to the Floral Bee Garden. My name is Michelle and I garden in Zone 6A, Windsor, Nova Scotia. So I'm just sprinkling them on top of the surface. I don't even know what the seed is. Oh, I think they're inside each little bit of casing. They're so, for me, they're hard to see. I don't have my glasses on. Anyways, I'm gonna plant them. Just lightly sow them on top of the surface. I'm just gonna throw them on like this. Now I plan to pot these on and grow them for my for that project that I've got going. Okay, so I'm pressing them down. I'm putting vermiculite on top. And I'm misting them. And I have a lid. And I used these last year, these containers, and I drilled holes to let the water in. There's holes underneath. Let's put them outside now. Hey, I missed a whole section of planting my Crocosmia bulbs that I bought at Home Depot. I have 25 bulbs. There's 5 in a pot, so I have 5 pots of Crocosmia, and I started them today because I've had a horrible time getting them to grow for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but they better grow this time because I'm just about ready to give up. What else can I do? They're in the tote. I have watered them. I don't need to label them because I'm not really putting a lot in there. I know what it is. And I'll give you updates when anything starts to grow. Got my little helper. Oh, I'm going this way, hon. Tonight they said it might snow. And they're going out here with the other stuff. Now I've got to put a rock on there. Just to hold the lid down because we have so much wind. We have some bulbs. Watch out, baby. I realized that I didn't show an after of my cleanup. Now I haven't got a broom out here or a leaf blower yet to blow this off. But today when I got home from Aquafit, I brushed a bit more off and did some more raking. And I can still see where the daylily debris is. And I'll have to clean that off. Here's an update on some of the seeds that I planted. These are the black-eyed Susans. And then I had really poor germination with the red valerian. So I only have one little row of those. And the rest I've reseeded with, what have I done? Prairie coneflower and more lamb's ear. And this one here, this is black-eyed Susan. This is Magic Fountain Delphinium, that's Pacific Giant. I had to reseed those again as well. And that is the Pearl Yarrow. And there are the little lamb's ears at the back. And they're so cute. This one I just took out from the humidity dome. And I've got some, oh, what are they? Oh, I forget. I'll remember it. I'll put it up here. And then some columbines. I've got the fan on them. These ones are the Basket of Gold Alyssum. 2 weeks. I don't see anything. And I had to take them out from the humidity dome because they were just... they're getting too big for the dome. And here are the seeds that I collected outside. And, oh, they're the fall... oh, mum. They're the fall mums. They were the little ones I did in the bag. And that is a biennial... oh, I can't remember. Gorgeous.